above that, some outcomes could be below that. So you have to do an averaging to just sort of describe in a very simple-minded way what business as usual path would amount to. 5% if you take a fairly narrow view of impacts. You can get up to 20% if you take a much broader view of impacts. But at the kind of level that we're talking about here, roughly speaking, 1% plus or minus 2% gets you upwards of 5%, both being expressed as a fraction of GDP. And that's why we say that mitigation is a good deal. So, and of course we make the argument also that changing the economies in this kind of way can generate lots of opportunities in the process. You could actually set off a wave of new technologies which could be quite exciting in terms of opportunities and growth. So we argue essentially that sensible mitigation is the growth strategy. Rich countries can grow, poor countries can grow. Business as usual will eventually, after some quite long time lags, but will eventually derail the growth process. So it isn't actually sort of growth versus non-growth. It's very much mitigation associated with growth. Eventually, business as usual gets into trouble. So what about policy?